He told me not to talk too loud. I was narrating here, so I'll try to keep my voice down. He's flying that thing inverted. I don't think I've ever flown that plane inverted except when I lost control. All right, give us a pass where we can see it. I got the camera on here. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh yeah, man, this is whole. I was trying to video with your video camera, but Lord of mercy, there's no comparison. All right, rub the tail on the ground. Come by with a inverted.
It's not mine.
I'm gonna have to get out in the Hunter. I tore his up. Tree jumped out in front of me.
I'm gonna do the bottom rate switch.
Okay.
Nice descent rate. Nice.
You landing?
Touch and go.
You won't sit there too long, cause.
Right,
Man, you start mowing that grass.
He got some blades.
Flipping the rate switch up.
I got
One.
3 blade on it too.
No, you got to go all the way up to get high rates.
I brought it up to the middle.
That was not said. It's either the middle has nothing. You got to go up to get high rates, all the way up. You on high?
Yep.
Cool plane. Boy, I tell you what, if I can pick one up at a swap shop there for 60, 70 bucks, that would be a deal. To look at it, it don't look like that much of a plane.
Okay.
Okay, what?
All right, Gooney Bird's tower. Upwind to downwind.
Permission to buzz the tower, sir. Negative.
All right, we're gonna buzz the tower.
I'll put my coffee cup down. Who is that guy?
Back up a little bit.
I'm blocking your view.
Yeah, I couldn't see where it went for a moment. All right, landing.
It's hard not to nose down. That's the man. That's the man.